Enough is enough. Frost to bully EU into major U-turn before April 1 deadline. Lord Frost, Boris Johnson's new minister in charge of Britain's post-Brexit relations with the EU, is expected to confront Brussels following unionist fury at new trade restrictions between Northern Ireland and the rest of the UK. Under the terms of Mr. Johnson's new EU trade deal, Northern Ireland remains tied to the European single market, resulting in some regulatory checks on trade with Great Britain. These will increase from April 1 when the current grace period for a number of restrictions expires. Lord Frost will confront the EU over its overly legalistic and heavy-handed interpretation of the new trade agreement, insiders have told the Daily Telegraph. EU legislation has caused outrage in Northern Ireland, with unionists demanding the return of uninterrupted trade with Great Britain. Graffiti has appeared across loyalist areas attacking the restrictions, whilst customs officials were briefly forced to stop work earlier this month following threats. DUP leader Arlene Foster is demanding Britain withdraw from the Northern Ireland Protocol. The EU threatened to suspend this last month in a row over coronavirus vaccine doses, but backed down following outrage in London and Dublin. Ms. Foster, addressing Mr. Johnson's dilemma, said, "He needs to set his sights on a long-term solution, rather than sticking plasters. Whether it is the flow of parcels, supermarket goods, chilled meats or medicines, from GB to Nye, the United Kingdom's single market has been ruptured." Lord Frost was appointed to the cabinet as minister responsible for EU relations earlier this week. He is taking on this role from Michael Gove, with reports the Prime Minister is hoping for a tougher stand. German politicians have come out in support of the Oxford and AstraZeneca vaccine, after public skepticism threatens the coronavirus jab rollout in the country. According to the German Disease Control Agency's monitoring, 129,021 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine out of a delivered 736,800 have been administered by Thursday this week. Michael Müller, Berlin mayor, said in the Tagesspiegel newspaper, "I won't allow tens of thousands of doses to lie around on our shelves, while millions of people across the country are waiting to be immunized. Those who don't want the vaccine have missed their chance." The full contract between the EU and AstraZeneca showed the European Commission cannot sue the pharmaceutical company for delays to coronavirus vaccine deliveries. Investigative reporters at Italian broadcaster Rai revealed the full contract for 300 million doses of the Oxford and AstraZeneca vaccine, and found the Commission waived the right to sue the drugs company. The contract makes clear the Commission and EU countries can't sue the drug maker for a host of issues, including if there are delays in delivery of the vaccine under this agreement, if there are any unforeseen issues with the safety or efficacy of the vaccine, or if there are problems with the storage, transport or administration of the vaccine. But details in the contract did show AstraZeneca overpromised how many doses it could deliver the EU, claiming it would send 80 million to 100 million doses by the end of the first quarter this year. The details issue a new blow to the Commission, who have threatened legal action against the drugs firm for a 60% drop in expected vaccine deliveries for the first 3 months of the year.